Good morning, students. So again, I am here with a new topic from International Business First Chapter. That is the modes of entry into international business. Means how a business can enter in the other country and the ways by which, suppose you are doing a business, so how you can enter to another country for doing business with their country. Okay. So we need to discuss one by one. There are different methods or steps we need to discuss by which you can enter the international market. So here given number one is export entry modes. As we know, export means sending the goods from our place to another place. So like this, by sending the goods of your company or sending the products whatever you manufactured in your factory to other country with some means agreement with other country or with some way by which you can enter to different kind of country of the world by exporting your product. So as we know, some products are very demandable in other country. So if you manufacture that kind of product, so definitely you are able to export the products to other country in different way. So for this maximum possibilities, there's people are use some distributor who have connection with other countries, and some companies also include some wholesaler, they also connected with some other countries. Okay. And some people are using some agents, so etc. There are different types, or you can say that there are different intermediaries are also available by which you can enter to other country with your products, or you can start your international business. So in the first category, here written direct exporting. Okay. Direct exporting means the seller to buyer. Means you suppose you are the seller, so you are directly exporting the product to buyer by setting up your own intermediary on the foreign market, or by set up some agent who is directly connected to you, or you can directly sell to some distributor which is different country. So that is called direct export. Okay, where you have direct contact with them. So again here it is indirect exporting. So indirect exporting, you are not selling to that particular company or particular person who needed the product. You are selling to one intermediary. Means the intermediary will purchase everything from you, and after that he will sell the product to other person that particular country. So it is called indirect exporting, where you are not your product is selling to the other country, but you are not directly selling your product in favor of you. Some other people are going to sell your product to other country. So it is called indirect exporting. Next is number two. It's called contractual entry modes. So according to this contractual entry modes, by making some contracts with the, or agreement you can say, by which you can enter to the other country. So for example, in this category you are given some licensing. By giving licensing you can enter, by franchising you can enter, by turnkey project you can enter. So this modes of this category we will discuss one by one. First one is called licensing. Licensing means what? You have given license to some other people of that particular country. Okay, of other business of that country, particular country, uh, by which means he get the license to export your products to their own country. Okay. And they have the right to use your products, patent, or uh, means anything whatever related to the product. Okay. Or patent of manufacturing, that is they also get from this licensing category of contextual attributes. Okay. So this licensing is done according to a agreement between both the parties, where you and that particular persons are agreed to a um, agreed to a agreement. Okay. And by this agreement you are allow him to use your patent or trademark or technology, anything whatever you have to use in his business in favor of you. So that is called licensing. By licensing you can enter to another market. Next, here given licensing contract is divided into three main types of licensing. Here given first one is called product licensing, which means that you are agreed to uses manufacturing marketing rights of whole product. Means you are giving license to using manufacturing whole products of yours. Okay. Or sometimes the partial products of yours, or or sometime to improve a part of or component of your product. So this is called licensing system of product licensing. Next one is called method licensing, where you have agreement, make an agreement to rise use the methods of manufacturing whatever you have done in your own factory, and the same method they can also use in their country. Okay, so that is called method licensing. Next one is called representational licensing. So it's also agreement between the two companies that they all are concentrated on the project deliveries. Okay, uh, like uh, like here given some example, you have seen that for example projecting system, sharing manufacturing and marketing procedure. So whatever the marketing procedure you have used, that they can also use sharing manufacturing. So whatever your manufacture products, you can share with them. Okay, your projecting system you can share with them. So like this way we can represent by this representing licensing agreement you can enter to other country, means you can enter to international business. Next, franchising is another point of this. This is for franchising. Franchising is also one kind of licensing. Means you have seen that McDonald's, like Domino's, KFC. So you can take the franchisee of that particular company. Okay. So when you take the franchisee, you are ready to use everything whatever they have used in their own company. Okay, their trademark you can use, the price you can use, their royalty you can use, everything whatever they have used, everything you are ready to use after getting the franchising or after taking the franchising for that company. So you can go for franchising with a different kind of country. Okay, and by this way you can easily enter to other international business. Okay, here given turnkey project, another part of this by which you can enter to international market is turnkey project. The contractor agrees to handle every detail of the project for a foreign client. Understood? Now, suppose the client is foreign and the person who taking the contract is ready to means contract everything whatever they have in favor of that client. So suppose you need to give training to one person, the completion of the contract. Okay, so everything you will get the right to do in favor of the foreign client. The foreign client actually handed over one key to you, so to fulfill his operation within the given period of time. So by this way it's one key which is presented to you to do the work in favor of the client. So by this way you can also enter to another business or international market. Okay, next one is called investment entry modes. Investment entry means what? It's related to investment. Suppose you are going to invest in business of some other country, so that is called investment entry modes. So that is also here given some way. First one is called joint venture. I think you know about this. Next, acquisition, and last one is called greenfield investment. First, we need to discuss joint venture. Joint ventures, we discussed the small things like this. Two companies are joining each other and carry the business some agreement. So that is called joint venture. Okay. So by this way you can also enter to international market. Next, strategic alliances means these alliances I will tell you later what is alliances. Alliances means it's a mutual coordination, strategic planning and management that enable two or more organizations to align their long-term goals to the benefit of each other organization. Suppose we two three organizations are there, so two or three whatever the organization is, we are different organization, but we three are beneficial for three of us. So in this case we all are helping each other and we all are different alliances coming together. So if we three are belongs to different countries, so we come together means we enter into other one of those business. So by this way it is called strategic alliances. You can see by this we can enter to international business. Here given some alliances examples like strategic alliances, like marketing alliances, where jointly your company and my company jointly market the products. Okay, next which are beneficial to both of them. Number number 2, which is next, is called Promotional Alliance. Means we are here, you can see on collaboration, where one firm agrees to join in promotion for the other firms. Means one firm also helps to promote the product of other firms. Next, number 3 is called Logistic Alliance. So one kind of cooperation where one company offers to another company distribution service for their product. Means suppose I am going to distribute the product of other company which belong to other country, so that is called Logistic Alliance. Number 4 is called collaboration. Means where between 2 or 3 companies, means where I suppose I don't have the capacity to develop anything, so together we can develop a technology which is new in the market by helping each other. So it's a one kind of collaboration upon by which you can start a business in international basis. Okay. So after that, called wholly owned subsidiaries. Wholly owned subsidiaries means what? Where when 100% investment is mine and I have started business on there, everything, equipment selection, anything, whatever happened, every inch of money I have provided to that particular project. So that is called wholly owned subsidiaries. By this you can enter the market. So this is wholly owned subsidiaries also divided into 2 categories. It is separate way. As greenfield investment and acquisition. Okay, so there are 2 separate ways. That is called greenfield investment and acquisition. So greenfield investment means where the firm starts from new market and opens up own stores while using their expertise. Okay, involves the transfer of assets, management of talent, of property, technology, and manufacturing know-how. Means everything whatever you have, you are going to transfer from one place to another place, and that place is particularly it's a new place or new area of business where you are going to enter. Okay, so it's this kind of investment is called greenfield investment. Okay. Next one is called acquisition. Acquisition is the opposite to greenfield investment, where already existing companies are taken over by another company. Suppose there is a company of yours and I am going to take over your company, so it is called acquisition. So by this acquisition I can enter to a foreign market. So it's a one kind of another way by which you can enter to international market. Okay, so these are the ways by which you can enter to an international market. Okay, so again I am repeating from beginning because this is a very long project. Okay, so we have see on the first one is called export. So by exporting you can enter to a business. So when you fail export, that's called direct export and indirect export. Okay, number 2 is called contractual entry modes. So contractual entry modes, when you say, that is come licensing again 3 types. Okay, after that franchising. Okay, the third one is called turnkey project. So after turnkey project, number 3 is called investment entry modes. So according to investment you can enter to another country, that is comes under joint venture and strategic alliance. Strategic alliance again 4 types. After that wholly owned subsidiaries, and after that acquisition, sorry, it's I think greenfield investment and acquisition. Both are same, but I have given actually greenfield is come first after the acquisition. Okay, that's not actually compulsory that you have to write in a sending order. You can write last one also before the first one. So next one is called acquisition, and after that greenfield investment, and that conclusion. So there is no anything to say about this topic in the conclusion, but I would like to say that this is a simple means explanation about this topic. Okay, if you read properly, then you understood that how you can enter to another country and you can do business with them. So in short, you can say that how to enter to international market. So about this you will get a little knowledge about this from this explanation. But main thing is that for notes, if question will come, explain the modes of entry to a international business. Okay, explain the different modes of entry to international business. So you mentioned that, and I also mentioned there disadvantages. In that case, you have to write very long answer. For that answer, I will give you one link after this explanation. Okay, so you write the notes from that particular link. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.